Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you come back, thanks for returning. Today, I'm going to attempt to make a hammer eye drift. Stick around.
Singing true rely, you rely at it. Singing true rely, you rely at it. Singing true rely, you rely at it. For we're bound for Botany Bay.
Alright, so what I'm doing here, this is just a piece of car axle that I've cut off. I cut off the gear and also cut off the axle head. So now all I'm doing is I'm just forging this down to a point so that I can get this into the head of a hammer. Now I'm going to be sizing this up to a hammer. I already have that's factory made, but the hammer eye is big enough basically. So forge this down, then I'm going to flatten it out, and then I'm just going to finish it off with a bit of grinding. So at the moment all I'm doing is forging down the point, making sure it fits, and then we'll get to the rest of it from there. I'm just going to put that there for the moment. Making sure this fits. So this fits down in there, so now I just have to flatten this out and widen it out so it fits into this hammer eye a lot better. So as you can see, it fits in, but now it's just a matter of flattening it down and drawing it out a little bit so that it fits through and I've got a little bit of area to work with.
Shut up and sit down.
A little bit more hammer work, I'd say. And then flatten this out just a little bit further, and then basically I think it's down to grinding. Okay, so put it back in one more heat and just heat that bit up there and flatten it out a bit, because it's a bit, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit thick and there's just there, a bit thinner here, so we're going to widen it out, and then I reckon we should be pretty much good to go. Alrighty, so now I'm going to let that cool down, and then we're going to start on the grinding. So stick around, I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, so it's cooled down now. It's actually the next day because things got in the way yesterday, so now it's just going to come down to grinding, get this nice and smooth, evened out, and hopefully fitting the hammer eye that I've already got. So we're just going to shape this now. So I'm going to turn the sound down, put some music on, and I'll see you when it's done. There we go, one hammer adrift. Now I have spoken to a couple of hammer maker friends of mine, and there's no need to harden and temper this, of course, because this will be holding a red to orange hot piece of steel. So this is going to get heated up. Of course you have to cool it off whilst using it, but there's no need to actually harden and temper. So I've finished, it's now ready for use. So in a couple of weeks time I'll be using this to make myself a troll hammer. Just a mild piece of steel hammer, so that I can use it with my struck tools. So that way it doesn't, I don't get any chipping or any damage to my struck tools. But at the end of the day, this is all done. So thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Check out my previous videos. Just to let you know, today's the last day for the competition for Design My Forge. So don't forget to get your entries in, guys. Next week I'll be showing off the new property, giving you a bit of a flyover to show you the lay of the land, and approximately where the house is going to be. So don't forget to kick that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you all next time. Cheers.